Keep your text effects live and editable in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, start with some text. Bring up the rulers by clicking Command R. Right-click on the ruler and change to pixels. Go to the Appearance panel and add a fill and a stroke. Drag the stroke below the fill and select rounded caps. Click on the FX button, Distort and Transform. Move horizontal and vertical about 1/4 of a pixel and then increase the copies to your liking. You can move the effects into specific fills or strokes if you need. Let's add another fill and drag it to the bottom. Then click on the FX button, Distort and Transform. A smaller distance value plus increasing the copies will give you a smoother blend. We can copy the stroke and move it below the red fill and increase its copies. Bonus tip: open the graphic style window, drag the object into it to create a style and apply it to any shape you want. And this is the text effect that we wants to create. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.